What's up guys, I welcome you in this video about Lovable. I've promised it to my community inside Skool. It's called Future Minds AI, where we talk AI and all of this stuff. We connect, network, everything, so feel free to join. I've promised them this video about Lovable and why vibe coding as a whole is not the way. So firstly, what even is Lovable? If you know Bol.new or Base44, it's basically the same thing. You enter a prompt and it gives you a app or maybe even a website. Whatever you want it to create, it will create. Alright, so let's jump into it. Let's say I want to create a simple website. So make me a website about... So I said, make me a website similar to Skool, but only for gaming. So now what is happening is Lovable is basically thinking about what it's going to do and then doing it. So building all the code, all the animation, everything is taken care of, okay? Here we're on the free plan. So we can see that 3.2 credits are remaining and you can of course upgrade for 25 bucks a month. Here comes the downfall of Lovable and all of the vibe coding tools. I have made a video previously on why vibe coding is going to die before it actually died. So take this video just as a reminder. In my opinion, it is way better to use something like Bolt. Why? Even though it's probably a little bit harder for you to understand from the get-go, like from the start. Here on Lovable, you just jump here, do a prompt, it will build you a website. Beautiful animations, everything, but you can literally achieve the same thing, even for cheaper, with just this simple AI called Claude. And yeah, I have made many videos. Actually have a series on Xcode where I built iOS apps, I debugged them, I improved them. Literally everything that you could think about when it comes to iOS apps I have done. Even I have sold an app for $3,000. So yeah, I think I'm kind of qualified to talk about this topic, and let's actually look if Lovable does something. No, not yet. It takes like 2-3 minutes. So meanwhile, while it creates the app, I want to tell you that there's two options you can create right now, or you can choose. You can either go do the Lovable stuff, create some, in my opinion, half-done products that are not worthy of buying or selling, or you can do the hard work, choose the hard path, and go to Claude, my lessons, go inside my Skool community where we're going to launch this coding with AI course very shortly, and you can learn all of this and be able to create whatever you want. Because with Lovable or these vibe coding tools, you're a little bit limited. It just costs you way more than what would cost you here. The other benefit of Claude, by the way, I'm not sponsored by any of these tools, but Claude also walks you through it. You can ask it a lot of questions, you can work freely way more, and what you want to do is, the only hard part about this is, you know, copying and pasting the codes or files. Only hard part is importing these codes to your workspace, but I think that takes you like 10-15 minutes, depends on how long and complicated the app is, but you're in control of everything and you know exactly what you're doing. Alright, so Lovable already created the site, so let's actually have a look at it. Yeah, so we have level up your gaming community. Okay, so I said something like Skool. We have here start your community. Nothing works yet. Explore more communities. Nothing works yet. Daily messages, active gamers, communities. Okay, everything is of course fake. Discover gaming communities. We have some Valorant, Master League, blah 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 blah. Okay, FPS. Yeah, okay. So basically the data here is completely junk yet, which is of course normal, what it should be, because we didn't provide any data. Everything you need to dominate. Yeah, boom 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 boom. But the problem with this is we're all tired of this, low-key. Like, it's been a year when all of these same fragments or same visuals have been popping up. Everything is this neon, light gray, whatever. Everything is the same, literally. And we're getting sick of it already. People in this day and age want authenticity, okay? They don't want these copy-paste AI, no, you know, no human soul behind it websites. Nobody cares about this. Literally no one will care about this website, I can guarantee you that. Yeah, with some marketing, yeah, okay, if it would be a great idea, it would probably work. Okay, I'm not saying that, but I think you get the same feeling from this, and this is not what AI is about, guys. I don't want to be selling you or teaching you these viral websites and do this in 5 minutes and do that in 3 minutes. I don't care about that junk. If you genuinely want to do this hype method of AI, unsubscribe from my YouTube channel and go somewhere else, because I'm trying to teach you the real stuff, and especially inside my Skool community, where we have the classroom, of course, some AI automation masterclass, always updating. We have some make lessons, Voiceflow lessons. We have all the templates from my videos, you know, everything is here, guys. Everything is here, and this is the real stuff. This is the real deal. So go check it out 100% and ditch these vibe coding tools. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI, because this is some impressive stuff. Probably gonna be a little bit longer video, but it's gonna be worth it. So stay tuned, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. By the way, leave a comment on what you think.